My name is Beth Parkes. I'm from Ontario, Canada, and I'm the Vice President of a continuing education and professional development company out of Burlington, Ontario. I think the use of Sharpen-free instruments, or truthfully just options when it comes to instrumentation, is really important. I think we have dental hygienists who love sharpening, they are very proficient at it, and then you have other dental hygienists who really struggle with that skill. And through what we do at RDHU, we are interacting with dental hygienists who are coming to us for help with sharpening. So I think now the fact that there's those who can choose between. So if they're not proficient with sharpening, or they just don't feel confident, it's also some way to calibrate the practice. So if you have multiple dental hygienists sharpening, maybe they're sharpening slightly different, then those instruments, really that integrity of the original design is going to be compromised. So the Sharpen-free line allows that instrument to stay that way for the lifespan of that instrument. And I think that the value on that is pretty high. So when we're talking about the two, they're both great options, but I look at their sharpening technique, and we work on the sharpening technique. And for some, it's just something very frustrating. It's causing a lot of, they're irritated, they don't want to sharpen, they don't have time for it. So it really comes down to looking at that practice, looking at, is there time to sharpen? Is there someone in the practice who likes to sharpen and can do it effectively? And are there multiple dental hygienists using the same tools? And those are sort of the three main things that I'll look at to say, okay, I would recommend Sharpen-free, or you know what, maybe the stainless steel line is a good option for you. I mean, I've loved getting together with colleagues from around the world. And the one thing is this common theme about either not having time to sharpen or not being in a practice where there's someone who's proficient in sharpening. So I thought maybe it was an isolated issue, but no, it's this worldwide issue that we're having in the profession of dental hygiene. And so it's incredible that now there's this line, the Sharpen-free line we can use that solves a few of those problems for us. I've been practicing for about 17 years, and about 2/3 of my practice life, my instruments were kept on a tray that was behind me. So all day long, I was having to sort of turn around and select the instrument that I wanted to use. And it didn't seem that bad, you know, at 7 o'clock in the morning, but by 5 p.m. at night, all that twisting of the torso and then rooting around for instruments that were all the same color caused a lot of back pain and sore and honestly frustration. So the fact that they're now color-coded, I can turn and seek out the color of the instrument that I want, and that has really cut down, along with the other beneficial ergonomics of the LM line, the color coding for me was just a really big help.